Hi, Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video. So today I was just doing some ginger powder and I thought, why not make a video of it? And I have a list of things that ginger are amazing for. And so ginger should always be in your kitchen. Your house should never be out of ginger. So one of the benefits is good for nausea. If you nausea. If you feel like you're nausea. Thank you, Larry. So if you feel like you're going, you know how nausea is. That's what when you feel like you're about to vomit, or if you have food poisoning or anything like that. Ginger is good for that. It is also good for motion sickness. It is good to increase serotonin, and I have proven this because I drank a cup of ginger tea before bed and it knocks me out. It reduces inflammation, it reduces depression, because ginger, because it's kind of a spicy, it's spicy, so whenever you drink it, it kind of hypes you up. So if you're in a low depressive mood, it picks you up. It is also good for anxiety. So what I like about it, if you're too low and depressed, it brings you up. And if you are too anxious, it calms you down. It is good for dementia, for Alzheimer's, and I didn't know that. And it is also good for stomach pains and upset stomach. And we all know this one, you know, and it's good for digestion. Of course, if it's good for stomach pain and upset stomach, it's good for digestion. So it settles your food properly. About 2 hours after you eat, remember to drink 2 hours after you eat. Have a drink 2 hours after you eat, and drink some ginger tea. And if you have to have it before, have it half an hour before you eat. And what I want to say to you again, Simple Life, is the alarm threw me off. So I remember traveling the other day, and my husband and my daughter, they brought me a thermos of ginger tea, and I was so out of it. When I was at the airport, I didn't have any energy. I thought for sure I picked something up while traveling here, and that ginger tea, by the time I get home, I was a different person, and I owe it all to the ginger tea. So I just want to come here now. So this is the ginger. So I thought I would show you now. So I cut it up because I have the Vitamix. I didn't have to cut it up too much smaller than this. So if your blender is a little less powerful, cut it up fine, wash them. I don't bother to scrape my gingers because I believe there are properties, health properties in the skin also. So after you wash them and you cut them up, pour them into the blender and blend them. And this is how smooth it comes out. And this here is this is totally a powder. And here it is. This counter surface is clean. So I just pour it out on it. So after I blend it up here, I put it in the dehydrator and I allow it to dehydrate overnight, and I put it on the mesh. I didn't bother put it on the Teflex because the mesh will allow it to dry faster. And then I put it at 115 for overnight. And then when I woke up, this is what I had: crispy ginger. We had gone to the store and we saw some on sale for good price, and this one comes from India. So we it's not as spicy as the Jamaican one, but we went with it anyways because it's a great deal. So far, what I throw out the blender, I got this jar, and I'm going to fill this one, and I am sure that I'm going to have more jars ready. So I just want to come here, Simple Life, and just to show you and to tell you about the health benefits of ginger. So thank you for liking, sharing, subscribing, and until next time, God bless.